What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is David Hanlon, aka the Laptop Legend. In today's video, I want to talk about the fact that DogeCoin is ready to break out to all-time highs. And in my previous video, I don't know if you guys saw it, but if you did, you'll know that I expected it to do it a little bit sooner. I really did. I expected it to do it a little bit sooner, but there were a couple of factors that prevented DogeCoin from being able to break out, and I actually saw a nice little pullback. So if you guys were waiting for that, you could honestly have gotten a way better entry. And again, in my previous video, I said chasing is probably not a good idea. Chasing is when you're buying, when you see it spiking. If you wait for a pullback, you get a way better entry, and then you're a lot more likely to be profitable on your trade. So make sure you keep that in mind throughout the course of this video. But yeah, there's a lot of cool factors that I want to talk about in terms of where I think DogeCoin is going and what you guys can expect about it, what the price target is, etc. So let's dive into that real quick. Also, if you are not subscribed to this channel already, please do that because you're missing out if you're not. If you're watching me just for DogeCoin, I made $16,000 day trading stocks this week, so you probably could be making some money there too if you watch my other videos. So please do that. Like this video if you have not already, and yeah, let's go dive in. All right, guys, so I'm here on my computer, and this is the chart for DogeCoin over, over the last year. And again, this is on Robinhood online platform. This is where I personally bought my Doge. I know Robinhood is not a good broker. I don't recommend them for trading stocks, but it seems like they're the fastest way to buy Doge right now. So again, if you want to do that, my referral link is in the description and you'll get a free stock. But yeah, you can see here that the previous high on DogeCoin was 1.88 cents. If I can find that here. I guess I have to go to the 5. There we go. My bad, guys. I had the wrong thing pulled up. You can see here the high is 1.88 cents, and this was back when Bitcoin made its run at $20,000 the first time. And you can see here, 1.88 cents, as soon as it breaks out past that level, it absolutely skyrockets. That 1.88 cents level is right in here, and once it breaks past that, it goes on a massive, massive run. But anything that goes straight up pretty much always comes straight back down and then finds a new base that's higher. So you can see here, it spiked up really nice. The new high was 8.8 cents, and then it pulled back, consolidated in here, and it made this, ascending wedge, but it broke out downwards of it instead of breaking out upwards. And part of the reason for this was Robinhood, pretty much every single crypto, I don't know if the brokerage, I don't know what the proper name for it is, but any way that you could buy Robinhood, it was delaying the depositing of money. So all these new people who wanted to buy DogeCoin, they try to come in and buy it, but their money takes like a week to deposit. So back last weekend, when I expected, stocks are not going to be able to trade, there's a lot of craziness going on, and everyone's going to turn to DogeCoin. Here's the thing. They couldn't buy it. They couldn't buy it. It took like a week for them to get their money deposited and then be actually allowed to buy DogeCoin. That was on Robinhood. Some of these new, I think Voyager has like a waiting list now to even be able to sign up. They had so many clients coming in trying to buy cryptocurrencies. So because of that, there's a lot of demand for DogeCoin. But people are unable to sign up and actually buy DogeCoin. Again, here you can see Voyager waitlist. Like, to even sign up to be able to buy this, you got to get on the wait list. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. And again, you can see here, this is the chart now. Because people could not buy it, it broke down out of this, ascending wedge. That's what it looked like to me. And it broke down, and it found a new base around this area. 2.5 seemed to be the base. It broke under there for a tiny bit, and then everyone bought it back up and pushed it back above. So 2.5 cents was the base. And then from there, spike up, come back down, find a new higher low at around 3 cents, spike up, come back down, find a newer low at around 4.5 cents. And now it's making another push, spike up. So we have to see what it does here. But we have a lot of celebrity support. And again, the more widespread attention DogeCoin gets, the higher the price is likely going to go. And Daddy Elon is right at the brink. No, what is it? Right at the front line. Let's call it that. He's leading the charge. He's really doing his best to pump up DogeCoin, and it's working, man. It's really working. I mean, remember what one Elon tweet did? That's what sparked this move back here. I might have started back here. But one Elon tweet did that, and he's tweeted about DogeCoin like 4 or 5 times in the last couple of days. So he really wants this thing to go up. And honestly, we got the Super Bowl today. It would not surprise me if there was some type of Dogecoin shenanigans going on. I don't know if we get a Super Bowl commercial or there's someone, in the stands with a big Dogecoin banner that they're waving or something like that. But I could see a video like that going viral and helping to push this up even more. But again, what you want to do is avoid buying in right when there's a huge run up, unless it's breaking out past all-time highs, because at that point, there's going to be a lot of buying momentum. So I could see having it be, I could see it being worth it at that point. But, if you go to live here, look at this. The best time to buy in is when there's a bunch of red candles. You get like 5 big red candles in a row. Normally there's a nice little pop after that, and that's a better entry. If you're buying after a bunch of green candles, it's not such a good entry. Again, this is just happening live. I didn't plan this, but you get a bunch of red candles, a big pullback. You buy here, and it instantly pops up. So, typically speaking, it's better to enter here. And, it is up a little bit. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's a big red candle. So, this would be a better entry than buying up here, obviously. So, always look to buy in on pullbacks. That's just basic trading logic. It's a way of managing your risk because if you get in on a pullback, obviously, there's less room for it to fall on you. But ultimately, this thing has the potential to break past this high and go on a nice little push. And again, my price target for Dogecoin is about 25 cents because to me, I feel like that is a reasonable estimate of the maximum hype that this could get. And the reason I feel that way is because that is, again, similar to what GME's total market cap was at the peak of its ludicrousy, around that $500 mark. And I know people are going to comment, oh, market cap is not the same thing as how much a coin is worth. I know it's not the same thing, but this is just, it's a way of estimating how much a meme can really generate in terms of money being put into it. And that's how I feel about it. So I think if we break past these all-time highs at 8.8 cents, I think testing 10 cents is pretty likely. I think it's pretty likely. And if it breaks that 10-cent barrier, again, 10 cent is a whole psychological number. Same thing as 1 cent, same thing as the dollar. It's a very, very important psychological number. And I think if it breaks past that, it could see a nice little run. And I don't know what that's going to be without a pullback. It could run up to 15 cents without a pullback. It could run up to 12 cents without a pullback. It could run up to 20 cents without a pullback. I have no idea. I have no idea what that's going to be. And I think it depends a lot on, what type of continued exposure in the media Dogecoin gets. Because, again, let me just review some of Elon's tweets. Doge. He tweeted out Doge. The Lion King meme with Doge being, was that Simba? I haven't watched that movie in a while, so don't roast me if that's wrong. Look at that. 1 million favorite likes on this tweet. Dogecoin is the people's crypto. That's 3 tweets already. No need to be a Giga Chad to own. No highs, no lows, only Doge. I am become meme destroyer of shorts. So he knows what he's doing. He knows he's pumping this up. But he doesn't care. It's working for him. Much wow. Again, that's from the Doge meme. Much wow. Very, very amazed. I'm trying to think of an example, but he's tweeting about it so much. Look at this. I don't know who that is. I wish I knew. That's probably another celebrity who's talking about it. I think that's Snoop Dogg, but I could be wrong. Maybe that's just another celebrity. And obviously that's Elon Musk. And again, that's Dogecoin. All these celebrities are hopping on this. The future currency of Earth, Dogecoin to the moon. That's what is that, 7 tweets in the last couple of days about Dogecoin? This man really is trying to push it up there. And again, if you go to Snoop Dogg Dogecoin, the price of meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin soared more than 36% on Sunday after American rapper Snoop Dogg a day earlier joined Doge booster-in-chief Elon Musk. I guess, okay, Kiss Rockstar. Oh, maybe not Chris Rock. Gene Simmons? Yeah, I'm not sure who that is, but I guess he's pumping it too. And again, you can see Snoop Doge. He changed his name to Snoop Doge. If you go to Snoop Dogg's profile, look at what's pinned here. Again, he has 19.2 million followers. Snoop Doge. So they're working together to bring this thing up. He's got money in his hand on a booty. That's crazy. So they're trying to make this thing happen, guys. They're trying to make it happen. And you got to be careful chasing. You got to know that this does have the potential for some big dumps. But again, look, I didn't this is live, guys. You see this. You see a big dump. That is a better entry because you get a nice little bounce back. That's how it works. And this is probably, I mean, it could see another pullback. It could find some new lows. I don't know where. I mean, if we look at this chart, maybe the new support is at that 7 cent area. Maybe it's at the 6.6 cent, 6.5 cent area. I have no idea. But you know, depending on how today goes, this could easily break high of day today. I mean, all-time highs today, and then it could break 10 cents today and go on a nice little run. So I would be looking to ride that if I were you guys. But again, just be careful because you know that this is something that has the potential to see some huge pullbacks. Because again, let me remind you, you go back here, this went from a penny all the way up to almost 9 cents. I mean, that's a big move, guys. That's a big move. That's a over 800% move. And then it had a huge pullback. If you buy here at the top and you hold down here and then you sell here out of panic, like you just lost 75% in a couple of days. So you got to be careful. You got to be careful. And don't put anything in you can't lose. But yeah, I mean, I'm just excited to see where this goes because it's pretty funny to see Elon and Snoop Dogg and everyone just hopping on these trends. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did and you made it to the end, please subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video coming in a little bit talking about what stocks you need to watch for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, let's grow better together. Preguntar, bebé, dime por qué te mientes. No puedes esconder todo lo que tú por mí sientes.